Good morning students, this is class 8th with maths subject. Students, today I am going to start chapter number 11, that is algebraic expression. This chapter you have already done in 6th and 7th class also. So in this chapter you will do the 4 operations on algebraic expression like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the algebraic expression. To understand the concept, first term you have to understand constant. Constant means that term whose value is fixed. Means suppose here 4 is constant, its value is फिक्स्ड, यू कांट चेंज. मीन्स 4 को आप 3 नहीं बना सकते, 3 को आप 4 नहीं बना सकते. दीज टर्म्स आर कांस्टेंट एंड हुज वैल्यूज आर फिक्स्ड. अनदर वन इज वेरिएबल और वी कैन से लिटरल. दीज आर सेम थिंग. वेरिएबल मीन्स हुज वैल्यू कैन बी चेंज, द क्वांटिटी whose value can be changed. Suppose we are giving them name x, y, a, b, c also. Any name you can give to them. Variable or literal means we don't know, हमें पता ही नहीं है किन की वैल्यू क्या है. So we are giving the name from our side. अब constant और वेरिएबल या लिटरल को मिक्स करके कुछ बनती है टर्म्स. क्या बनती है? टर्म्स लाइक 4x, 3x²y, then 5abc. These are known as terms. When we apply operation on them, operation means इनको ऐड कर दो, ठीक है, या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. This thing it is known as algebraic expression. These things are known as algebraic expression. Means when we do some operation on constant or variable and these becomes terms. Now these are terms. कितनी terms है इसमें? 1 2 3. So these are terms. फिर terms के ऊपर ऑपरेशन यूज किया हमने, addition, subtraction, multiplication या division. So this full will become algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So Rajay, here power is written to variable की power means negative नहीं होनी चाहिए. It should not be negative or any fraction. Means it should be a whole number. When the power of any variable or literal is a whole number, then only it is known as algebraic expression, otherwise not. Or another name is this for this expression is polynomial. इनको हम polynomial भी बोलते हैं. Let us come to exercise 11.1. First question is identify which of the following expressions are polynomial. If the expression is not a polynomial, say why. So first question is x raised to power 3 upon 3 minus 3x² upon 4 minus 3 upon 2. So if you will say variable is x here and its power is 3, here is 2, means no fractional number is there. So it is a polynomial. ये भी polynomial, this is not polynomial because in the denominator it is written y, and when we will write just we will put here power -1. जब इसे ऊपर लिखेंगे we can write y raised to power -1. So it is not a whole number. Power of the polynomial, this expression is not a whole number, so this is not an expression, or we can say it is not a polynomial. So others part 2 you will do by yourself by taking the help of assignment, written assignment. Then question number 2, write the degree of each of the following. Degree means highest power. Degree means highest power of the polynomial. Means suppose we have expression 3x square y, then 4x y cube. So here two variables are there, one is x and one is y. So इसकी power है 2, y की power nothing is there, only 1 we can write. So its power is 2 plus 1, 3. So here power is 3. In the rough work we can write here y power is 3 and x power is 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. तो highest power कौन सी है? 3 जा 4, 4. So we can say degree of the polynomial is 4. We will take the highest power. और भी कुछ हो, suppose यहाँ पे z भी हो, z की पावर 4 है, तो इन सबको प्लस करेंगे. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. Then the degree becomes 8. I think concept is clear to you. Then is ascending order of first variable and descending order of second variable. In this question you can consider, like first part is here, here you can consider first variable is x and second variable is y. So उसकी पावर के अकॉर्डिंग आपने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिख देना है, फिर y की पावर के अकॉर्डिंग उसका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिख देना है. क्लियर. देन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज ऐड द पॉलिनोमियल. इनको ऐड करना है. ठीक है. यू कैन डू बाय द मेथड ऑफ कंबाइनिंग लाइक टर्म्स, और आप दूसरी तरह भी शो कर सकते हो. पहले असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिख लो. आई विल शो हेयर. First question, suppose here is term 3x square minus 4x plus 6x cube minus 5 and 8x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 5. So बच्चे here you can say कि variable is x here, only x term is there, so highest power is 3. This term we will write first. We are going to write in descending order. Then power 2 term is this one plus 3x square, then this term 4x, then minus 5, फिर end की जगह पे plus. Then second expression, this one is already in descending order if you will observe. So 8x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 5. Now first method is also कि x cube x power 3 वाले terms हैं, इनको combine कर लो, इनके constant term plus कर लो. 8 plus 6 14, 14x cube, फिर x square वाली के कोफिशिएंट ऐड कर लो. ठीक है. फिर x वाली. अनदर मेथड आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हेयर कि राइट फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन 6x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 5. अनदर वन इज 8x क्यूब माइनस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 5. सेम लाइक वी आर एडिंग नंबर. So here 6 plus 8 is 14 and x cube. So this 3 is positive, this one is negative. So 4 minus 3 is 1, bigger number is with the negative sign, so minus 1x square. So 5 is positive, minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and with positive sign because this one is greater, 1x. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. This one the answer. I think concept is clear to you. So practice by yourself students. Thank you and have a nice day.